Hello, everyone. Hi. My name is Ducky. What is your name? Hello. Nice to meet you. Ding, 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 ding. Today, we are going to learn some colors and we're going to do some countings. And I am also going to put the balls into the cups. Yeah? Do you want to play with me? Okay, let's go! Yay! First of all, let's count how many cups are there. Okay, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. There are 12 cups. Now, let's put the balls into the cups. And we have to match the colors too, okay? Yeah? And you know all these colors? Okay, cool. And can you help me? Okay, thank you. Okay, so let's go now. First, I'm going to put this into the cup. Can you help me and tell me what color is this? This is the color orange. Good. Let's put this into the orange cup. Which one is the orange cup? This one. Yay, good job. Next, we have the yellow one. Which one is the yellow cup? I think it's this one. Yeah? Wait a minute. They don't match. I don't think this is the yellow cup. Let's get it out and let's try again, okay? No worries. Let's do it again. I think it's this one. Yay! Good job. In you go. And this one looks really similar too, you know? Oh, actually, hey, it looks like me. We have the same color, isn't it? Yeah, very similar. Yeah, both of you are yellow, right? Yeah, and I think this is a light yellow. Let's put it in here. Ooh, good job. And next we have the red one. This is the color red. Where should we put it? Let's put it in here. Yay! Next, we have this color. It's a lime. It's kind of green. Okay, and this is called the lime color, a lime green. Let's put it over. Let's put it in here. Yay, way to go. And next, we have another kind of green here. I wonder what kind of green is this. I think this is the mint green. Yeah, it's a mint green. It has this minty tint on it. Mint green. Let me put it in here. Is it here? Wait, I think it's here. Can you help me, please? Where should I put it? Oh, I think it's right here. Yay, thank you very much. And then next we have this. This is like a light blue or sky blue. It looks like the color of the sky. Wow! Oh, I like this color. This is one of my favorite colors. Let me put it in here. Wow! And next we have, ta-da! We have this one. This is the color blue. Excellent. Where should we put it? Can you help me? nothing is here. Yay, way to go. And then next we have, whoop. Oh, I like this color too. This is the color pink. Yeah, it's a light pink. It's a light shade of pink. Let's put it here. Wow, good job. And now, how many balls do we still have in the bowl? I think we still have, let's count, okay? Yeah, I'm not sure. Let's do it. 1, 2, and 3. We still have 3 balls in the bowl. Okay. Now let's pick this one up. This one is the color gray. Ta-da! Chee! And next we have the color white. And last but not least, we have the color black. Good job. Let's put it here. Excellent. Wow, we have all the balls in the cup. Yay, good job. Now let's look at them again. Red, orange, yellow, light yellow, lime green, mint green, and then we have sky blue. We have the color blue, we have light pink, we have gray, and then we have white, and we have black. Way to go! How many colors do we have here? Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Yay! Wow! You are incredible! If you like our video, remember to click like and subscribe to our channel. And I see you again soon.